Have you ever wondered, what if we could print not just words on a page, but objects in 3 dimensions? Welcome to the fascinating world of 3-dimensional printing, a technology that's shaping the future and redefining the boundaries of possibility. Imagine the ability to create a physical object from a digital design. That's the magic 3-dimensional printing offers. It's not just about printing small plastic trinkets. It's about revolutionizing industries and transforming how we create. In the realm of healthcare, 3D printing is a game changer. It's crafting customized prosthetics that fit like a glove, creating anatomical models for surgical preparation, and even bioprinting organs, a breakthrough that could potentially save countless lives in the future. In the world of architecture and construction, 3D printing is creating affordable and sustainable housing solutions. It's building complex structures layer by layer, reducing waste and speeding up construction times. In the domain of aerospace and automotive industries, 3D printing is streamlining production processes. It's manufacturing lightweight yet sturdy parts, optimizing fuel efficiency and fostering innovation. In the sphere of fashion and design, 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's bringing intricate designs to life, offering customization at an unprecedented scale, and challenging the traditional manufacturing paradigm. In the field of gastronomy, yes, even food, 3D printing is adding a touch of tech to our plates. It's creating intricate sugar sculptures, personalized pasta shapes, and even printing plant-based meats. In the landscape of education, 3D printing is making learning more interactive. It's helping students understand complex concepts by turning them into tangible models, fostering creativity and encouraging problem solving. So, as we journey through the marvels of 3D printing, it's clear that this technology is much more than a novelty. It's a tool of transformation, a catalyst for innovation, and a beacon of progress. It's reshaping industries, revolutionizing processes, and redefining the future. To recap, 3D printing is not just creating objects. It's crafting customized prosthetics in healthcare, building sustainable homes in construction, streamlining production in aerospace and automotive industries, pushing creative boundaries in fashion and design, adding a touch of tech in gastronomy, and making education more interactive. Indeed, 3D printing is a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of technological advancement, and a glimpse into the future. It's a fascinating journey of creation, from a digital design to a physical object, one layer at a time. So as we stand at the brink of this new era, one can't help but wonder, what's next in the realm of 3D printing? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to ensure you don't miss out on our future deep dives into the world of technology. If you haven't already, do click on the subscribe button below, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this journey of discovery with you. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for more exciting content.